Hey guys, welcome to my recipes. Today we'll be making chicken stock. Chicken stock is actually quite simple to make. The overall idea is basically to boil bones in water over time and let the water slowly absorb the flavor from the bones. I've been using this homemade chicken stock in a lot of my cooking, be it soups, stews, sauces, etc. So firstly, for the ingredients, we've prepared 1 kilogram of chicken carcass and 3000 grams of water. Here we have 2 ready washed chicken carcasses weighing about 500 grams each. What we need to do is to remove and discard all the remaining organs that are still attached to the bones. So to start off with the stock, we'll first have to fill a large stock pot with water and bring it to a boil. Then, just add in the chicken carcass and reduce the heat to low and simmer. Make sure you cover the pot with the lid and you may leave it for about 2 hours. We are using a slow cooker here, but you may use practically any pot to cook this and it will work just fine. So now, according to your liking, you may increase or reduce the duration of boiling. The longer you boil, the richer and more flavorful the stock becomes, as it gets more condensed when more water leaves the stock. Also, if you want the taste to be even stronger, you may also increase the ratio of chicken to water. Once this is done, we'll need to remove the chicken carcass from the pot and let the stock cool completely. Oftentimes, to store it, we can also freeze the chicken stock in airtight containers, freezer bags, or vacuum seal bags, and they can last fresh for quite some time. And there you go, that's how you make chicken stock. So if you like this video, do leave a like or comment and subscribe to our channel.